Would you like to know the profile of email senders in your Gmail? Or if a sender is your customer for a suitable reply? How much a sender has spent in your services? The last products purchased by a sender? Or if a sender is subscribed to any of your plans? Would you like to know all these things without leaving your inbox? Contacts Inbox is for you. Contacts Inbox is a compact CRM add-on for Gmail. It integrates Stripe and Google Contacts, so you can easily manage your address book and active subscriptions and recent payments from your customers. With total privacy and no lock-in. Try Contacts Inbox now for free from the Google Workspace Marketplace. More info at contactsinbox.com.